we have seen the third method, algebraic method of solving linear equation in two variables. The method is called cross product method. And how this method is to be used, I'm just recalling the concept yesterday, but I taught you this. Okay, first you have to note down the equations, and then you have to note their coefficient. Okay, and when you are writing, we are writing the denominator. When we are finding the denominator of x, okay, we have to make the it's called matrix arrangement, when these points to be located in this manner, row wise, array wise, right now. So this array arrangement we speak here. Okay, so we make the array of coefficients accepting x coefficient. I am telling this how is to be used this. Okay guys, an example I am solving here. Okay guys, see now this what the question is saying here. Which of the following pair of linear equation has a unique solution? No solution or infinitely many solution. Okay, find it by using cross multiplication method. In case of their unique solution, if in the equation the unique solutions condition is found, then you have to solve by this, otherwise not need to solve this. Okay, right guys. So I'm just taking one of the question here. Okay, I'm taking this question, suppose. So what this question is here, you may see the question I'm solving here. You may say there is this. Okay, this question is there. So you may see what is the coefficients of this. Its coefficient is what here, please tell me. So you may write down a1 is what? A1 is here 1. And what is b1? What is b1? Minus 3. And what is c1? This is also minus 3. And what is a2? Tell please, it's a 3. And what is b2? It's a minus 9. And what is c2? It's minus 2. Is that clear? So we have written all here. We have to check whether the solutions are unique or infinity. So the condition already a1 by a2 is to be found out. Okay, it's 1 by 3 coming here. And what is b1 by b2 is coming here? It's coming here minus 3 by minus 9. Can it be solved? Yes. Minus minus solve here. 3 1 is 3 and 3 3s are 9. What's coming? It is 1 by 3. The third ratio also to find out here this. What is that? It's coming here minus 3 by 2, minus 2. So it shall be 3 by 2 only. So you may see here this. The first two ratios coming equal here. You may write down here, since a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. This is coming, but sorry, equals to. It's equals to. Right now they are coming equals to, but not equal to c1 by c2. So already we have discussed with that here. So you will see here the first two ratios are equal, but the third ratio is not equal. So what this condition is it here? Yeah, no solution. Therefore you will write down here no solution. So you need to write here no solution. No solution in the sense the system of equation have no solution. Okay, I'm talking about another question. Suppose I'm just taking this equation. Okay, this system of equation I'm taking here, and this is to solve here. Clear guys? Right now. Now understand this. I'm taking this system of equation, this. See what is that? What is a? So directly is to find out the a1 and a2. What is a1? A1 is a1 by a2 directly to. What is a1? 1. What is a2? You may see what is a2? 3. And what is b1 upon b2? What is the next? Minus 3. And what next is minus 3. What shall it be? Minus minus cancel, and here will 1 come. So we just can see the first two ratio is not coming equal here. So you will write here, since a1 a2 is not equal to b1 by 2. The first two ratio are not equal here. Then the system has what? Please tell me. The system has, yeah, unique solution. Unique solution. So if the system has unique solution, then we are to find it by cross product method. So I'm telling the cross product method. First we have to note down the coefficient a1, a2, b1, b2, and c1 and c2. So what the coefficient a1? 1. It is what here? 3. It is what? Minus 3. It's what? Minus 3. This is minus 7, and this is minus 15. You may see this or not? So I'm telling this. So denominator, so in place of x, obviously accepting the coefficient of x is not to be written here. It is 3 and minus 3, clear. And here's 2 minus 7 and minus 15, clear this. And in case of y, you will take here will accept the you will not write these coefficients, you will take the coefficient of these coefficients and these coefficients. So already this has written here, so here you will write a1 by a2. So what the a1 by a2 in the sense, a1 means what, it's a 1 or it's a 3. Again in 1, the third variable we can say, speak here, the constant term is to be eliminated, is not to be written here. This here you will write b, a and b. So a is already written here, you will write 3 and it's a minus 3. Okay, now their denominator is to be found out here. What, how the denominator is brought here, I'm telling the denominator is how to bring, clear. So this and this, clear, it's across here. So 3 minus 3 minus 3 into minus 45 is there, means 3 5s are 3 15s are 45, minus minus plus, and formula of minus 3 7s are 21. So negative 21 or positive 21, positive 21. Why? Because both are negative here, clear. So here now again, so again what shall it be, 3 and this what here. So 7 3s are what here, minus 21, clear. And here minus minus plus, 15 1 is 15. Again next, so here is to multiply this and this. So what will it is, minus 3 and formula minus of the formula, minus minus plus, 3 3s are 9. This is that here, clear guys. Now carry on the next, x divided by, what is the difference here, please tell me. It's a 24 will come. What the next is, what the next is, so it shall come here, it's a minus 21 plus, how much is that, 6 will come here, and here 1, what the next will come here, 6 will come here. So you will solve further. Once you will take this equal to this, and later you will take this equal to this. So first case, x by 24 is equal to 1 by 6, and the second case you will solve, y by 6 is equal to 1 by 6. So x is equal to 24 divided by 6, 4s are and 1 is, what's coming, it is 4, and here y is equal to 6 divided by 6, so it is 1 coming. So your answer is what, it's a 4 and 6. So the value of x is 4 and the value of y is 1. Your answer, this is 4 and 1, clear guys. So this is the method of cross production, how to use here. You see carefully what I have done here, see, for 20 seconds only the method I employed here. Okay, right now okay, that's right, if you have seen that. Now see, the next question also has to be done here, this. Okay guys, well understood you. So I'm giving your home assignment, remember please, this question number 3rd you will attempt here. 3rd can also be done here, this. So you need to check first the whether they have what type of solutions. Okay, so directly the ratios to be checked here. Okay, what is a1 by a2, it's a 3 by 6. So what is this coming, 1 by 2, and here in the 3rd question I'm talking about. And what is b1 by b2, tell please. The b1 by b2, minus 5 by what, minus 10 is also there. So minus minus cancel, 1 by 2 again. So first two ratios coming equal. The third ratio, c1 is equal to c1 by c2. What is that, 20. So you may see this is the 20 is the right side of the equal. So if you will bring this left side to equal, so you will take minus of that, clear, and this will be minus 40 also. If I will solve this further, so it shall come 1 by 2. You may see all the three ratios coming here equal. If all the three ratios are coming equal, then what will speak here, this, yes, then it will have the infinitely many solutions. So we not have to solve this by cross product method. Well understood you. So we also have solved this. I told you first this, and yesterday I told you this, what could be here, 2 by 3, a1 a2 it is, okay, and the second is what, 1 by 2. So are they equal here? Obviously first two ratios not equal, so this will have infinitely a unique solution. And how would be done, same you can do here, right? And what method you will imply, the method which I have solved here, this. Okay guys, well understood you. So what is that, the method of solving this question I am telling you. Clear? You just have see here this cross product method. Look, so what is finding method here? Cross product method we are using. Okay, so here simply x in place of, so we'll omit this coefficient. Okay, we'll write here 1, this and this 2, and these are equal right to the equal, so will be taken as a -5 and -8. And second, y coefficient, here y is to be ignored. Okay, and this is not to be ignored, so we'll write here this coefficient, this coefficient, this and this and this. So 5 and 8 already written, we need to write down 2 and 3 only. Again 1. Clear guys? So you remember here, this you may see this is the coefficient we are bringing here and taken negative, so not need to write down. So what shall be it is? Again we will solve here this. Look, this is that. So what next coefficient? It's 1 or it shall be 2. Clear? Again this multiplied to this. So what will be x upon x means 1 into 8 minus 8 and minus a formula 2 5s are 10 minus 10 minus minus plus 10. Clear? And second, now 5 3s are 15 and minus 8 2s are what here 16 minus 16, so it shall be plus 16 and 1 divided by what next is 2 2s are 4. Okay, and minus 3 1 is 3. Clear or not? Now further, how can we solve this please? It's x divided by, what is the difference? 2 will come here, and y divided by, what is that here? 31. And what next is 1 divided by 1. So this is equal to this and this is equal to this. So x divided by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, so what shall be it is? Please tell me. X is equal to 2. Clear? Further, y divided by 3 and 1 also. So y is equal to 3. What is your answer? X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. We obtained here the answer. Is that clear? Right guys? So it's in the well manner we can understand here this how the cross product. It very easy sum the method here, you may see. Okay, you will check that. The checking also can be done here, the whether is coming or not here. Clear guys? Right, the next, some more cases are here. These are the important question generally comes in examination. I'm talking about this question number 2. What the question number 2 is saying? Have a look this please. Okay, the question number 2, what is that? The question number 2 is saying that here, for what value of a and b does the following pair of linear equation have infinitely many solution? Means if already it is giving that the equation have the infinitely many solution, so what is to be done for infinitely many solution? What is to be done for infinitely many solution? Okay, so you will just write a condition is given infinitely many solution. So it's pair of equations. So we'll copy the line, the concept here. What is that? Following pair have equation, pair of linear equation have, here you may say pair of, this line is important here. Clear? I'm sorry this. Let this is clear guys. Pair of equation have, what does this have? Pair equation has an infinitely what? Many solution. Infinitely many solution. Is that clear now? If they have infinitely many solution, then what condition for infinity? A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. This is for infinitely many solution. And what the equations are given? So you may say equations are what given here. These are the equations. Okay, and this equation, what we can note down from this equation? So you may see this is infinitely many solution. What is A? what is A? So A is this, I think it's A1. Okay, A1 is 2. What is A2? A minus B. Okay, equal to what is B1? 3. And what is B2? It's A plus B. And what is C1? Minus 7 could be there. And what is C2? 3A plus B minus 2. Is that clear? You may see three ratios are here. So first these two, these are the relationship we have obtained here. So solving this relationship, 2 by A minus B is equal to 3 by A plus B. We can solve them. So cross multiplication can be done here. This it shall be 2A and it's a 2B and 3A and it shall be 3B. So what next be here? A here this side and B here this side. So what will it is? It shall be 5B and it will be what here? And it's only A. Our relationship is coming here, you may say. Our relationship is coming whether A is equal to 5B. You have taken these two equal. Okay. Now you can take these two equal. So 3 upon A plus B is equal to 7 upon what? 3A plus B minus 2. Do solve cross multiplication. It's a 9A, it's 3B and it's minus 2 3s are what? 6. So 6 here and next is 7A and it's a 7B. Now further it's a A, it's also A, so 2A will leave here this, it's a B, it's a 7B, transfer to that minus 4B leave here this, and this 6 will be transferred to the less. So another equation are being formed here. It's a fourth or it's a third. Clear? Two more relationship we found here. So in place of A, what can be? So you will write down here solving equation third, means equation inside equation third and fourth. So in place of A here, what you can put? Solving A and B. So twice, what is the value of A? 5B minus 4B is equal to 6. So it shall be 10B or it's a 4B is equal to 6. So here will be what? 6B will come here, or it's a 6 also. So B is equal to 6 by 6. What will? 1 will come here. So this is the value of B coming. Therefore, what will be A? A is equal to 5B. 5 into 1 together will be 5. It's answer here. So brought here A is equal to 5 you brought and B is equal to 1. Its answer. Well, understood you? So the condition which we have applied here, this typical question generally comes in exam. I hope you can solve this question. Can you solve this or not? But what the condition is given? The condition is here, you may see, for what value of k the following pair equation have no solution. No solution. The condition for no solution, tell please what? A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. This is the condition. So we'll take in place of A what? 3, and what is in place of that? 2k minus 1. Next also 1 divided by k minus 1. So cross multiplication, 3k minus 3 is equal to and 2k minus 1. To solve, it's not equal to, okay. So here will k only and here will minus plus 2. So for k not equal to 2, this will have a unique solution. So its questioner is asking here for what value of k. So you are writing for not equal to 2. What does this mean? Excepting 2, for other values it can have the unique solution. Is that clear? This is the meaning of that. Well understood you guys? So here you will write for this. Now the next question. What the next question is saying here? You may see the next question. Solve the following pair of linear equation by substitution and cross multiplication method. Can you use the substitution and cross multiplication method? Yeah, of course. So this is the your assignment. So now you have to do the work more. Okay, more work is to be done by you. These are the lot of questions. If I will solve on the screen, it's obviously my passion is to teach here. Many questions I can just solve on the screen before you, but it's up to you. You have to think whether you have to solve how many questions. So at least 5 to 6 questions to be solved by you. Is that clear, guys? So it's enough for the day today, and we'll just discuss this lesson. So this is your home assignment, third number question home assignment, and the question number this and this you will try by yourself. Clear, guys? Right now, and you will give the test seriously tomorrow on Sunday at 8 o'clock. Remember you please. Okay, access the paper through your WhatsApp number, and you may see also the group 10th group number 1, 10th 1. Is that clear? You will see them in later. We'll discuss further. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.